Inclusive TV.
Hello, little learners. Today we are going on a fun maths adventure. We will learn about adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and the equal sign. This is addition. We also call it plus. Addition means putting things together. Let's try. You have 2 apples, and I give you 1 more. Now you have... That's right, you have 3 apples now. Now let's learn subtraction. We also call it minus. Subtraction means taking something away. You have 3 apples. You eat 1 apple. Now you have... That's right, now you have 2 apples left. Next is multiplication. We also call it times. Times means groups of numbers together. 2 groups of 3 apples. That makes... That's right. That makes up 6 apples. Now it's time for division. Sometimes we use the word divided by. Division means sharing or splitting things equally. You have 6 apples. You share them between 2 friends. Each friend gets... That's right. Each friend gets 3 apples each. And this is the equal sign. The equal sign means the answer is... Let's try. 1 apple plus 1 apple is equal to 2 apples. Great job! You did amazing today. See you next time for more fun learning.